All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is August 21st, 2024. My name is John Kerrigan, and I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Let's go take a look at some charts. Had an interesting day today. First chart, SPY on the 10-minute. Let's take a look here. We have a 10-minute uptrend going into close. On the 2-hour, we have a 2-hour uptrend going into close. Nice consolidation. Watch for a big breakout tomorrow. See that tight consolidation on the 2? Watch for the breakout coming tomorrow. Okay, what was the pattern today? Pattern was not obvious until later. Here's the pattern. Big move up. Pull back. Move up again, same spot. Pull back. Move up again. Pull back, half back. And then comes the rip. Okay, this is a popular pattern. Rip up, pull back, back up, make a W out of it. Do a half back, and then rip. Probably going to 565 tomorrow. Look at that last candle on the 10-minute. They're jacking it up going into the 415 minute. Okay, so there you go. So trash all that. That is the pattern to recognize and remember. All right? This happens over and over and over and over throughout the markets. All right, let's go to daily chart. All right? Daily chart. Today's price action candle. Got a higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Dangerously close to making new all-time highs. Really, really close. Just here, 565.30. We got as high as 562.11 today. All right? Tomorrow could be the day. We'll see what happens. So there's SPY. Take a look at QQQ, and I'll bet it did the same thing. QQQ, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. QQQ, uptrend. FNGU. FNGU's in an uptrend. It took out this high. Price action for today. Tight doji bar day, looking like a lower low. I gotta say it's a lower low. A lower low, and well, let's just drill down. The low here, 42.36. The low here, 22.58. 22.58. 22.36. Higher low. The high here, 438.90. The high here, 438.45. Boy, that's deceiving. All right. Higher low, lower high, inside day for FNGU. Still bullish. In an uptrend, took out that high. Price action, up over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMAs. Take a look at IWM. All right, IWM putting in higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17. Still in a downtrend till it takes out the high. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow is dangerously close to producing new all-time highs. Price action for today. Yesterday was a doji. Today looks like an outside day with a higher high and a lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. All right, let's take a look at we'll look at the technicals. Today, we got tossed out of the chop zone. Found ourselves in the buy zone and in the overbought zone. Okay, nice work for the bulls. Back into the overbought zone, like that higher low, like that higher low, like that higher low, like where we ended up today. Camping out inside the overbought zone, we got the marshmallows and the graham crackers. camping out here in the overbought like that. T2123, starting to fill some more of this gap right through here like that. Again, gapped up, never filled gap. That's bullish. I love that. T2123 up over the hooking 200 SMA. Price action green from the beginning to the end of the day. T2123 3 bar, putting in 3 more green candle bars, opening up some space here between 17 EMA, getting it to hook to the upside. Space between price and the 17 EMA. Headed back up toward, this is the prior all-time high. That is the all-time high right there. So that's T2123 3 bar up over the 200 SMA and moving in the right direction, making that little saucer to the upside. Like to see it cupping to the upside. Like the pepperoni. Cupping pepperoni to the upside. There you go. T2123. Now we do FNGU. A little sloppy here today on FNGU, I gotta say. A little bit of green. Had an evil red candle, then some green, some more red, then some green, and then back to it's getting sloppy. And then back to VWAP. And then what is this? What is going on here? What is SPY doing now? Why is this tanking? Anybody know why FNGU is tanking? Let's go take a look at SPY just to make sure it's not getting spun around. Diamond Dow's not. SPY getting a little pullback here. A little profit taking, I guess. Alright, it's not too bad. Still going in the right direction. Alright, let's take a look at some sectors. USO. Okay, USO on the daily chart. USO is in an uptrend, but it doesn't know that it's in an uptrend. Okay, got into an uptrend when they broke these highs right here. All right, with all of these days here, you wouldn't think it doesn't know that it's in an uptrend. Today's price action, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA, about to flip that uptrend to a downtrend if it breaks this low. USO. That's petroleum crude oil right there. UNG, nat gas. Nat gas is in an uptrend. Nat gas has a higher high and a lower low, closing inside a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Nat gas is in an uptrend. USO is in an uptrend, but I don't think it knows it's in an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at silver and gold. Silver is in an uptrend since it took out this low rate, this high right there. Silver price action for today, lower high, lower low, closing over. Bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver, uptrend. Gold. Gold put in new all-time highs yesterday. Today, lower high, lower low. Closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Gold in an uptrend. Silver in an uptrend. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH still in an uptrend. All right, got into an uptrend when it broke those highs right there. XLK, technology sector, broke those highs right there. It's in an uptrend. Let's take a look at XLI, industrials. Industrials have to take out the all-time, I think that's the all-time high. Yeah. Industrials have to take out the all-time high right here in order to be in an uptrend. All right, so they broke this low, put them in a downtrend. Now they're going to take out this high to be in an uptrend or produce a higher low and a higher high. Okay, so there's XLI, dangerously close to becoming converted to an uptrend. Today's price action, lower, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. XLI in a downtrend, but let me just say, you wouldn't know it because it's right back up here attacking the all-time highs. Because XRT, it's a retail sector. Okay, retail sector right here. I got to take out this high to be in an uptrend. Price action, higher low, higher high. Closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. XRT still in a downtrend till we take out this high right here. This XRT. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF, when we take out this high, this is the all-time high, by the way. We're making an attack on the all-time high. Almost, all right, as soon as we take out that all-time high, we will be in an uptrend. Right now, we broke this low and this low, so that put us in a downtrend. So you can see they've worked their way all the way back up. As soon as they create a new all-time high, they'll be in an uptrend. There's XLF. Let's take a look at IYT. Come on, baby. Nope, nothing happening today. Lower high, lower low. It's in a downtrend still. All right, lower highs and lower lows. If it takes out this high, it'll be in an uptrend. Transports, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. So there we go with the transports. Like to see the financials are dangerously close to being an uptrend. I would call it an uptrend because that really should have been probably a lower high that it's trying to beat. So we'll see what happens. But financials are looking good. T2123 is looking good. All right. SPY is looking good. Technology is looking good. Financials are looking really good. XLI industrials are looking good. This could be the bull market of your generation. All right. This one right here we're getting. We're going to have everything all lined up, and hopefully if we have a weak dollar, we could see SPY 600. All right, just saying that, you know, if everything's lining up, we got technologies already in an uptrend. SMH already in an uptrend, okay? Financials, I mean, they're like pennies away from an uptrend, okay? Industrials, pennies away from an uptrend. Transports, a couple dollars away from an uptrend. Not too far, though. All right? And we've got, this is the transports here. Let's see how far we got to go. 66.40, and we got to take out 66.95. So less than a dollar, about a dollar. Okay? Got to move about 50 cents or a dollar, and transports are in an uptrend. So everything's looking good. We don't have any big earnings coming, I don't think. I think we got somebody coming up soon. I think it's NVIDIA or Broadcom. One of them's coming up next week sometime. Anyways, everything's looking good. We got T2123. You guys saw that on the 3-bar chart. Bull flagging near the all-time highs. Gotta love that. All right. Already attacking the prior all-time high right there. So making an attack on the prior all-time high and maybe even the all-time highs right there. So everything's looking good. Everything is really looking good for SPY to zoom up to maybe 600. We'll see. Or 580. All right? So everything's looking good. All right. Any questions in the room? NVIDIA's next week. Thanks, Rambo. Bought some SPY calls at the bell. All right. All out of your SPY calls, Mel. All right. Made some money on that one, right? Took a small thriller trade. That worked out. I know it did. Way to go, T. Still holding some Microsoft. Added some Meta. All right, let's take a look at Microsoft. Over here. Where's the one I want? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. MSFT. Okay, Microsoft. There's the daily chart. All right, on the 2-hour, you got a 2-hour uptrend. It's the funky candle there. I like it when the candles are more green. I don't like this red, green, red, green, red, green. But it's moving up, so I guess I really shouldn't complain. I like the big tail put in right there. See how that tail is more than the body and the wick altogether? I like that a lot. Okay, on the 10-minute chart, look like you got a 10-minute downtrend, but you got a 2-hour uptrend. Nice consolidation right there. Looking for a breakout tomorrow. I think we get one. We'll see. And Meta. Meta on the daily. Let's take a look at it on the daily first. Nice uptrend there, pulling back to prior highs. I like Meta if it can get on top of this resistance right here. Has made a nice comeback here. I just like it better if it gets up here and consolidates instead of under here and consolidates. The good news is, and there is good news, this consolidation is above this consolidation. Equivalent to this one, equivalent, above this one, that's good. And we're right back where we were. I like that, consolidating there. All right, just like to see it. I'd rather see up here, but it is what it is. It's ready to break out up here. So everything's looking good. Nice 3-4 day consolidation on Meta. Should get a nice breakout or the beginning of a breakout. Came in right here. Let's take a peek at that on the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, what do we got? Here we come. 2-hour chart is, we lost a 2-hour uptrend and we recaptured it today. Right there, got an igniting candle up. Looked like a 1, 2, 3. Just couldn't take out those highs. But I do see a wedge getting built in there. Kind of like right there. You can see how those tails come down and touch right there. So I like that. Meta's looking good. Looking for a breakout tomorrow. I think you get one. All right, so there's Meta. All right, that's it for me today. All right, everybody have a wonderful afternoon. Had a really good day today. What trades did we take today? Let's go see what we took. All right, back at SPY. Okay, for the SPY, what did we take today in the 10-minute? Okay, we took this 10-minute uptrend over the red candle, brought us up into this. It took us all afternoon. We did have an evil shakeout right there. There was a stop out, but if you knew the target was going to be 562.10, like the traders in the room heard, okay, you knew that a good chance after they break over this evil candle with a green candle, we're going to go get it. And we went and got it. So traders made some money trading. Green erases red right into that number, 562.20 right there. Okay. Next one was this pullback here. Was kind of quasi-buyable. It wasn't really buyable till you got right here. And that was just after FOMC. That was buyable. Made some money on that one. Traders made some money on that. All right, so there it is. All right, guys. Thank you, Rambo, Scott, Robert, Alpha Dog, Mel, R2D2, Barry, T, Bobby, everybody. Thank you. I'll see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. We'll do it again. All right.